Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have s squared and s squared. We can do about factorization. Next, ds and the square root of 1 plus s to the power of 3 we put on the right, y plus 1 we put on the left. So you got about dy over y plus 1. And this one we have s squared ds over the square root of this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of y plus 1. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides by number 3. So this one in here we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. U divided by u, they cancel. The integration of du, we have u and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Now we go back in here. So this one we change by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.